Boy, I thought I never, look at my jaw. I thought I would never, ever see this.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Bro,
Why?
what's going on?
He has a Glock 19! Look out!
Robbery! Stay still and don't look back. Now! Thanks for the bike. Goodbye.
Dang. But we have people in the city now. To this man right here who's we're in, I hope he crashed. That's honestly, that's what you get. That's honestly what you get for stealing. You shouldn't have steal. And you need to go to jail too for having a loose bumper in the road. I'm not joking. You can go to jail for that. Stealing and having that in the road. Because you can actually kill somebody. Like, this man just gets run over. You are not seeing. That's a fake license. You stupid. Now he's dead. He deserved it, I bet. Whose car is that? Bulky. Move out the way!
Hello, excuse me. Could you please move out of the way? Hey, you! Excuse me. Move out of the way. Please don't do that. Stop! No, my car, please stop! You're destroying my car.
And here comes Gigi's 3, 2, 1. Dead nigga. Boom! Three, two, one. But lost the tire. Boom! Headshot. Boy, that wheel was on that ZZ Kills. By the way, shout out to Joe driving. Boy, got headshot. Boy, that car said, assemble, quick. Boy, that boy checking on his car. Somebody just got no skull and you're okay with the car. Boy, the cars in this are ups. This man just did the stupidest thing ever. 1984. Still, oh! It's this man's fault, by the way. It's the red car fault, because this man brake checked. Look, he's brake checking. And then he just does a flip. And that guy needs to go to jail. And then bro just get cooked. Yeah. Oh my, boy, that's the heartbreaking way to die in life. Getting folded by a thing. Boy, that's crazy. If you want to see me react to more videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Don't do it. But this guy just got folded. Oh my god. I'm going to be doing the second part too. Don't do it. Ugh. How his car just bends through the thing. One guy died. 2 people died. Two people got folded. What's that coming out the car? A T-Rex. Don't put all that smoke. What is this?
Hello? What is the price of the cookies? The cookies cost $30, bro.
For a cookie.
No, the price is way too high.
Hey, bro, you should look out the road.
Oh, my car! What?
Look out the road. Boy, he should have looked out the road. Boy, get ding, ding, ding. Wait, I don't know if y'all can see, but let me just. Boy, that boy just jawline. Everything in that man is dead. His car, you can see the man. He literally got skin. This is him. Skin. Like, bro, that is so crazy. Of course, that man died. He's on fire. And then he got clipped. You know what, semis or trucks, it's not going to go good. They're just going to clip a car. Or this is the car right here. That's the car. Yep, I knew it. And then somebody put a full over trying to get in and wait. Nah, bro. You feel like a boom. Did a 360 ooga booga. How the fact that the truck said, "You are cooked, little bro." No! And then this guy was like, "Bro, y'all going too slow." And like, "Oh shoot. Bang!" That's what he gets for trying to drift in the highway. By the state of that man, car should be in jail. Look at the state of the car. And then bro just gets body destruction. Like a teamer in a game. By the way, I'm making games, so you might want to go play them. I made a game called Shoot It. But look at that ugly road.
Your car is old and ugly. Ha ha ha.
But that thing for smoking. Dang. Wait, that was complete karma. As he was talking to him, he got folded. I'm not gonna explain that to my conversation. Goodbye, you guys. I'm just playing. The video is almost over. Yeah, we can wait. Oh! Alright, can you start with the side ending? Well, goodbye.